You have snowshoes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do they keep your feet warm? Oh, that's a big pile of snow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Oh, now we're on the driveway.
Yeah.
Do you like the snow? Not sure?
Tobias, you like the snow?
Yeah.
You like sledding?
Oh.
Did we have fun sledding?
Yeah.
Did you go down the hill with Dad? Down the big hill? You remember? Whoa! The snow is blowing in your face.
Good job turning away, Tobias. Smart.
Tobias, do you think that Haley and Brady
Let's go
will come
walk
out?
in the snow.
Here I coming through. Coming through. Whoa, big snowman.
See Mama shoveling the driveway, Tobias? Mama's pregnant, shoveling the driveway, and Daddy's playing with the camera. Is that funny, Tobias?
Uh-oh, you coming back for my snowbank?
Yeah.
Yeah. Would you like to walk over to the snowbank? Here you go. Here's a big one for you. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, wow!
Yeah.
Did I just get it?
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Oh, that's a big snowbank. Can you do that one? Go back over. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. Whoa.
Uh-oh!
Oh, you fell in the snow.
Oh, no!
That's like in the book when all the animals fell off the sled in the snow.
Yeah.
You remember? And they got snow on their noses. You remember that?
Yeah.
Did you get snow on your nose?
Yeah.
You did. Oh, oh, oh. Going up the driveway? Oh, right there. Oh, Daddy went over the snow.